I'm Kelly Penland, your flatland to the mountains of Franklin, North Carolina relocation specialist. And today I am sure you can hear why I am so excited to show you my newest listing in the Oak Grove, which is kind of like the extended Cowee area of Franklin. You are going to love this place. This is just the most beautiful home site. It's nestled in a valley between two mountains, and you have a creek right across the little gravel road that you get the joy of listening to 365. It is absolutely beautiful. The owner says the only thing that distracts him from sitting out on the front porch rocking and listening to the creek is when he sees the deer and the turkey that love to visit this property. You're going to love this house. It is in excellent shape, very well maintained, beautiful. You're going to just notice the hardwood floors. You're going to see the gorgeous kitchen, a beautiful updated bath with just gorgeous tile work. There's so much to tell you about this house. You're going to love the acreage and the land. Now, the home comes with 3.89 acres, and then there's adjoining acreage available. If you want to purchase that, you can have a total of up to 9.5 acres. So really a great peaceful and private piece of land. It's the perfect house for entertaining, for having as a vacation home, for having as a vacation rental. And let me tell you, the neighbors around here are so lovely, just so nice. This is the type of place that you want to call home. So let's go take a look inside this house. Okay, so now here I am on the covered rocking chair front porch of this home, where you're going to look over that mountain view. And can you hear the loud Lakey Creek? I'm hoping that the video is picking this up. I'm sure you can hear it. It is a wonderfully relaxing way to spend a day out on Lakey Creek Road. Okay, so here I am just walking through the front door off of the porch where I was listening to that awesome creek, and you're going to see, look at this fireplace. This is a wood-burning fireplace in the living room. It was previously gas and could be converted back. You actually would own the tank if you decided to do that. The den is past it with an open floor plan. I'll show you that in a minute, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the dining area and the kitchen. Look at all of the windows to let in the beautiful light. Gorgeous hardwood floors, central heat and air. Oh my goodness, look who's flown in to visit us. The geese are visiting to see this beautiful house. So here we go into the kitchen. Wine lovers, you've got a place for your bottles here, and a plate rack, a desk that's built in, really nice cabinets. You've got a window there where you can watch to see who is coming to visit you, because visitors you will have. There's your pantry. So let me take you back to the living area just to show you from here how it's an open floor plan. There's your front door. Look at that interesting woodwork around the window frames and the door frame. I don't know if that's locust or what, but it's really cool. Look, you can hang your hat there on that little knob built right into the wood. So, okay, I digress, but let me show you the bathroom, which is just stunning. Has been redone, obviously. That amazing tile walk-in shower with a seat there, and then this is a counter height vanity. You've got tile all the way down to the floor. It's just really, really well done, and even in this bathroom you have vaulted ceilings. So here we go into the den. Now this could be your entertainment area. You go right out here to your deck, so really this is an awesome floor plan for entertaining. There's your little mini cabin, and you can go out there and barbecue, listen to the creek, and then everybody can chat and visit because there's plenty of space with this open plan. Okay, so now here I am in the hallway. You would go downstairs from here, so nice inside access to the lower level, and I'm going to show you the main floor bedroom. Now I just want to point out here that there's an awesome walk-in closet in this bedroom, and lots of light, lots of windows continuing here. So let me show you this. Isn't that a pretty window? I just love that. Very cozy. And I'll show you there's a cool little built-in storage area here as well. And then a little reading nook. Okay, so here I am at the bottom of the stairs, inside access to your lower level. This is an awesome family room or den or entertainment room with easy access from the carport. And you've got your laundry, which is conveniently located here as well. There's a sink here, a whole house filtration system is located here. And you're also going to have access to your workshop from here, which I'll show you in a minute. Now, here is your full master suite on the lower level. So you can see you've got access to your terrace. There's recessed lighting, a closet. Look how beautiful this is. This home does come fully furnished. So now look at this. You've got your sitting area, your reading nook, your office area, plenty of space. This is a large room, and there is an ensuite bath. So here's our bath. You've got a window here for light, and guess what? Look at this. Jacuzzi brand jetted tub. Okay, so I just want to show you the flow here from the den on the lower level. There's a door at the bottom of the stairs, and this will let you into your workshop. So you can also access this from the exterior. As you see, there is a generator which conveys to you, and this is your powered workshop area. Now, plenty of exits to this home, because here's another door, and this is where you go out to your mossy green area and your little cabin. Okay, so now here we are on the other side of the home. You'll see that you've got your barbecue deck up there, your covered deck, your covered lanai terrace area, and here is your grassy knoll. So this is a wonderful area for pets, for kids, for a little garden. And here's the tiny cabin. Wood cabin with a metal roof, power. You could make this a cute little bunkhouse. It has a fan, windows. It's just absolutely precious. Hardwood floors. A superb bonus feature of this home. Okay, so on this side of the home is where the nature trail begins. You can see there's just beautiful rock work, and you're going to be blown away by the views on your own nature trail. Okay, so I have just climbed up to the first spot on your very own private nature trail, and this is the first bench of 5. I'm sure you can hear the loud creek in the distance, even up here. I might be a little bit out of breath from climbing, but this is what we came for. You can see this marvelous view that is your very own, on your very own nature trail. Awesome. Okay, so here's just a preview of what you have to discover. This is bench number 2. And you know how it is with video. The view is actually much better in person. It's just hard to pick up on video. It's really awesome. I'm out of breath. You're going to have to discover bench 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Well, I hope that you enjoyed viewing this beautiful home on Lakey Creek Road. There's so much to say about this house, from the metal roof to the central heat and air to the beautiful kitchen, the gorgeous bath, the creek. There's just so much to talk about, so I may have missed something, so you're going to want to click the link below. Then you'll be taken to my website where you can read all the full details about the house. Just call me if you have questions, 828-421-7705, or to make an appointment to see this home in person. So I might just be sitting here looking at the creek until you call. Thanks for watching.